Hello everyone, you are welcome on Years Overflow. Today we will see how to create a Vue application using NPM. So in my PC, I have installed two versions of Node. So I'm currently using 23.11.0. If you don't know how to install Node using NPM in a correct way, so I have this video. I will provide the URL of this into description. You can watch and install. So let's get started. To install, to create a Vue application using npm, we use this command. Perfect. Need to install the following packages: create Vue 3.16.4. Okay to proceed. Yes. Then it is asking for project name, so I will keep it hello world. Just enter. Select feature to include in your project. Type script. So here it is saying that upper and lower arrow to navigate, space to select, A to toggle all, and enter to confirm. So I will just enter TypeScript and it is done now. So now it is saying that to go into that application folder and npm install and then npm run dev to do this. So here I will do pwd. So we are into projects. So I'll go here and see we have hello world. Inside hello world we have some folders and some files is there. So I'll right click and open terminal, or we can go here and do cd space hello world. There's the typo error. We are inside hello world folder. Now we have to do is npm install, and perfect, we are inside our folder and we are doing npm install. What this will do is this will install all the packages of package.json. So let's open this using Visual Studio Code. So this installed all the packages into this node modules, and there is a one file package log.json. So let me open Visual Studio Code. Here I will open the folder. Years Overflow, inside that Vue, projects, and hello world. I will select this folder and here You can see all the files and folders. This is package.json. Here we have, this is node modules. This is source folder. Inside that, this is app.vue. Now it's time to run the application. So here npm run dev. Our application is running on localhost 4173. Just open this. Yes. And our application is running here. So inside here, you will find that this is index.html, and here we have app. So this is app.vue, and this is here script. Inside script, we have imports. This is template. The HTML code is here, and here CSS. So let me change this something else. Let me, and there is a one component that is hello world. So this is being used here. Let me remove this. Just use hello world. And here, this is another component being used. Now let's reload the page. And here, this is hello world. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Errors Overflow.